Hi there, Beat the Calculator here, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, on this channel we take a look at maths through engaging animation, helping you to master every topic and trick. By the end of this video, you'll be able to fully understand the alternate segment theorem and how to apply it to questions. Let's get straight in. Here's a circle, and here's a tangent to the circle. When we have a chord, like so, the angle formed between the tangent and a chord is always equal to the angle formed by drawing two lines from the ends of a chord. A fancy way of saying this is the angle in the opposite segment. That's all there is to this theorem. Find angle x in the figure. Since the 40-degree angle is formed between the tangent and a chord, the angle x is formed from the two ends of this chord. X is equal to 40 degrees. Simple. Practice questions. Find angle x in the figure. Using this, find angle y. Your 30 seconds on the clock starts now. Answers. Two angles in one question may seem daunting, but let's tackle them one at a time to find the solution. Angle x is equal to 45 degrees due to the alternate segment theorem. Cool. Now, angle y is just the remaining angle of a triangle, with the other angles in the triangle being 75 degrees and 45 degrees. As angles in a triangle sum to 180 degrees, angle y equals 180 minus 75 minus 45, which is 60 degrees. Nice work! Be sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Beat the Calculator. Thanks for watching, and see you next week.